Welcome to my channel and welcome to Sri Lanka! We arrived to Sri Lanka yesterday and this is the beginning of our 1.5-month Asia backpacking trip. Sri Lanka will be the first country and I'm so excited to explore Sri Lanka and see what it has to offer. We spent one day in Colombo, which is the capital of Sri Lanka, and I was reading a lot that you shouldn't spend very much time there, which is why we ended up spending only one day, and I actually agree with that because I wasn't the biggest fan of the city. We visited some really cool sites in there and it was definitely a very interesting city, but it was also really overwhelming. We arrived to Sigiriya yesterday. We took a train from Colombo and we arrived here late at night, and today is our time to explore the Sigiriya rock and I'm super excited of it. This is literally the view when you step out of the door. Wow. We are going to climb the Bidurangala, I don't know if I'm pronouncing that right, Bidurangala rock instead of the actual Sigiriya rock because the entrance fee is like 30 times lower on this rock, so I'm really excited to see the rock from the viewpoint. I can't believe it's here. It's literally in my hands. from Nuwara Eliya. And if you're asking, wait, how you are suddenly in Nuwara Eliya? Weren't you in Sigiriya just then? Well, I haven't updated you in a little while. So we were in Sigiriya 3 days, or kind of 1 full day, 1 half a day. And it was absolutely amazing. We fell in love with the place. It was so beautiful. The actual Sigiriya rock was so just magnificent and such a cool view. And it was a nice town and we really liked the life there. And from there we actually went to Kandy, and Kandy was when things kind of started to go wrong. So Kandy was just way too much for me. I'm gonna be honest, and I did not really like personally. Like, I did not really like Kandy personally. That's why I didn't really film anything from there, because my mental health went a bit downhill. I wasn't feeling the best in there. It was just very loud, polluted, like city that it felt just not my vibe at all. And I was kind of happy to leave from there, but the reason why we kind of went to Kandy was the amazing Kandy to Ella train, which was so iconic. One of my favorite experiences ever. I enjoyed so much and it was just such a good time in the train. Now we have arrived to Nuwara Eliya, also called Little England, and we're going to be here actually 4 days, so quite a long time. So it will be a big part of our trip, and I feel like many people, when they stop here, they stay maybe 1 day, a few days, but we actually kind of accidentally ended up staying here 4 days. But I'm happy about it because we arrived here yesterday and I really loved the vibes. I really like the vibes in here and I'm super excited to explore this area. Today's a nature day and we're gonna go explore a waterfall, which will be my first waterfall ever. Believe it or not, I've never seen a waterfall in my life, so I'm really excited. I mean, I've seen now from like a train window, like a little bit further away, but now we will actually go there, you know, in the waterfall. And it's called Lover's Sleep Waterfall. I'm really excited to kind of escape to the nature a bit after all the city chaos. And I'm of course agree. With William, who else I would be with.
So nice to get out of the city and have a bit of peace, because even like small towns here seem to be very chaotic somehow.
I agree.
It's so relieving to go here, and like this is probably one of the places where there actually isn't chaos, which is
we are definitely nature people, like 100%. So I'm really excited of this. There's like a little track that we will be going, which is really fun to get into the nature.
It's filled with leopards. So many leopards here.
No! There's no leopards. Hopefully.
Well, there actually is leopards.
Well, the thing is, there's actually leopards in this area, but I'm really scared. I hope that we don't see a leopard. We want to see a leopard, but we don't want to see a leopard. Do you get what I mean?
Yeah.
What's your opinion?
So beautiful. So beautiful. And you know, it's pretty cool. This is literally where the whole town's water comes from. So every time you take a shower, this is where it's from.
Yeah. And the views are pretty incredible. Beautiful waterfall. I would say it's the most beautiful waterfall I've seen, but it's not that I have seen any other waterfalls, so you know, but it's so cool. to the Lower Sleep waterfall and it was so beautiful. I absolutely loved it. And now we're just walking through the tea plantations and it's absolutely gorgeous views. It's like look how insane this place is. I can't believe some people skip this place. Like, it's, in my opinion, probably the best place in Sri Lanka so far. It's absolutely lovely and I'm actually so happy that we have 4 days in here. Good morning, it's another day in Nuwara Eliya and today we're actually changing our rooms. We're staying in the same accommodation but we booked like 2 extra nights when we arrived here, so we're going to be changing rooms today and before that we're going to go explore. Another day of exploring Nuwara Eliya. Today we have actually left a little bit out of the town. We wanted to come a little bit to nature from all of the chaos that we have experienced in here, and we're actually on top of a mountain right now. Well, actually we're kind of going on the top, so we're not quite on top yet, but you can already see we're pretty high up. You can see the town there, and actually there you can also see the highest point of Sri Lanka. That is the tallest mountain of Sri Lanka, and we're not climbing there now, but we are climbing to another mountain. And yeah, I'm really excited to be in the nature because I truly think the nature is the best part of Sri Lanka. We found a nice bench and there's a view to the tallest mountain in Sri Lanka. So beautiful.
Where are we right now?
In the Nuwara Eliya / Nuwara train station, waiting for our next train from Nuwara Eliya to Ella. Our time in Sri Lanka has been total roller coaster. It's super amazing moments and highlights like the Sigiriya rock or the Kandy to Ella train, but then it has been so much challenging moments that they really take a toll on you. It has been just a lot of challenges in here that I was honestly not expecting, and even now we're currently in Ella. We decided, okay, we're gonna climb the beautiful Ella rock. And we're currently in the Ella rock, but the journey here wasn't very easy because unfortunately there is a lot of scammers around the rock. There is very confusing paths to the rock and there's even fake signs. There's people telling you to go the wrong directions, that they could be your tour guide, that they could charge you money for helping, which is just, it's so sad. Like, this is such a beautiful place. As you can see, we're currently in this lower viewpoint and it's such a beautiful view and beautiful nature, but then there's just people who are ruining the whole experience by trying to scam you when they are the ones who are creating the confusion around the thing. It's just so sad, and I don't think it represents all the Sri Lankans, because in all of the other places where we have been, there has been majority of the people have been really nice. But I'm enjoying being in the nature, being in the beautiful Ella Rock, and I'm excited to explore still Ella. We are in Ella, so of course we have to go see the Nine Arches Bridge, and that's where we are going right now. We are on our way. We went to Nine Arches Bridge and it was actually really cool. Like, it was a cool bridge, very beautiful bridge, and it was especially really cool to see the train come through the bridge. But it was really overcrowded though, like really crowded. William is doing some weird shit. Anyway, it was really crowded, like there was a lot of people in there, which I get it, it's a tourist attraction, but yeah, it may be a little bit, like, it's a bit of a weird vibe to be in a place where like, everyone is taking just photos and videos and, you know, you get the vibe, but it was fun and it was beautiful. What's your opinion?
Absolutely legendary bridge. Never seen anything like, okay, no. It was really cool when the train went across the bridge. I feel like that's what's special about the bridge. It's very interesting because it's in the tropics. I feel like that's genuinely my opinion. I mean, it's a bridge. It's a bridge, but it's cool because of those features, you know.
What can you expect from a bridge?
Yeah, it's not going to change your life, but I think, yeah, the features of the bridge make it really interesting.
Yes. We are currently doing our last activity here in Ella, and we are climbing Little Adams Peak. We're doing the Little Adams Peak hike, and the start of the trail is full of like these very touristy activities, but we're here just for the hike and the nature, so we kind of just went past that, and now we're on the actual trail on our way to the top, and I'm really excited. The top of Little Adams Peak, and the hike here was very steep but still really easy and short, and the view up here is definitely worth it. And that brings us to the end of this video. I hope you enjoyed. I'm actually already back at home filming this intro because guess who forgot to film the intro? Definitely not me. But Sri Lanka was definitely ups and downs. But overall, I felt really good vibes about the whole trip, the whole country. And I honestly would go back. Sri Lanka was absolutely amazing, stunning country, really nice people there, and really beautiful nature, super cool sights. And I would definitely recommend traveling to Sri Lanka. I hope that you enjoyed my Sri Lanka vlog. If you want, you can also go check out my boyfriend's vlog, who was in this video. He filmed definitely a little bit different video, and it might not be out yet when I'm releasing this video, but if it is out, go check it out. I will try to put it in the caption of this video. And yeah, if you like this video, please hit the like button and subscribe my channel and go see my other videos. I love you so very much. Thank you so much for watching this video. Bye bye!